Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Spotify Learn. I'm here with the video of Oops with Java scoring package. You can score maximum marks if you study these questions. 80 plus marks is confirmed, and you can score in this subject very good because it's one of the easiest subject of all, and you need not to worry. And if you have not started the preparation yet, everything I'll be informing about everything in this video, so make sure you don't skip anywhere, else you will miss some of the information which I may say. And now let's see, without further wasting time. First is about the OOP principle, that you have four principle, right? Encapsulation, inheritance, uh, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance. That four principles which you have, that you need to study with explanation, examples and all, and polymorphism, that. And data types, lexical issues, you have to define array and you have to declare 1D and 2D array in Java. Write Java program to add two matrices and compile once and run everywhere statement. Types of operators in Java, types of if statements, and Java program to sort elements for using for loop. If you see module 2, it is class, constructor and types of it, this, and static keyword, access specifiers, call by value, call by reference, recursion, and finding the nth Fibonacci number, and garbage collection, stack operations program like push, pop, display, exit. I hope you have studied this in what lab program itself. You can study that also. If you find any of the easy program, that also you can go through it. Okay, next is method overloading, also you can study, which is easiest concept, and I'll be uploading the answers with explanation for all these modules from after I upload this video. For that, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And next is define inheritance and types of it. Next is program to implement on single level. Next is role of interfaces and multiple inheritance. Super keyword, method overloading you studied here, method overriding here, and you can find the difference between overloading and overriding, that also they may ask. And next is polymorphism, dynamic method dispatch, and next is abstract class and abstract method. Okay, next is module 4. If you see package, and you have to create your own package, user defined, and you have to import the packages. What are the steps you follow there using the import keyword? And next is access protection levels, that is private, public, that and all will come, no, protected, default and all. And next is exception, that is definition, and you study the nested try block with example, mechanism of handling exception, and program to throw and handle illegal access exception, program to create your own custom exception, and create a package, access its class methods from another program. This is one of the most important concepts that come under module 4. Next, if you see module 5, it is thread. Okay, it's all about thread only. Thread and creating, this is program, that types of way creating also you study, and for this you can study the program also. Next, if you see multi-threading concept, and you have to study the definition and the program to create multiple threads, and synchronization uses ITC, that is inter-thread communication. And next is wrapper classes, autoboxing and unboxing, and values and values of methods. This is all about the all 5 modules important questions I have said in Oops with Java subject. And now see, today is already 13th. Okay, now you have exam on 17th, right? See, for today's 13th, sorry, yeah, today you can see today is 13th, right? And you have exam on 17th, so you will get 14, 15, 16. Okay, you have only 4 days left if you include 13th also. So how you can plan is, you have to study module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4 and module 5, right? These all modules you study in this order only. Or if you find this module 5 is very easy and you know the programs you had studied for lab programs and all, you can go with this. Okay, and it is all your about left to you. I which, if you ask me, I'll say go in this same order of module 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here if you complete 13th, okay, if you complete this and this, you can go here with 14, 15, and here you also you can take 3 days and complete 5 modules is what I say. Okay guys, see now you no need to spend whole day also. Module 1 may take maximum of 3 hours if you sit perfectly and study with all the programs including every concepts, and this may take another 3 hours. If you sit daily 6 hours, you can complete 2 modules and another 2 module will be done. This you can study on 15th, and 16th whole day you can do all 1 to 5 revision you can do. That is basically you have to keep 3 days and you have to study all 5 modules. Okay, another one day we have 4 days, right? In 4 days I am splitting as 3 and 1. In one day you have to do revision. Okay, revision of 1 to 5, all 5 modules, and you will be perfectly ready and you can score 80 plus. And if you don't skip any of these and study everything, and you can score 85 to 90 plus itself. So that is why I'm saying don't skip any one of these questions also, because why you have is 1A 1B 2A 2B, if you have, or C, anything it may be. If you know these two and if you don't know this, here you will lose marks. Or if you know these both, if you don't know this, like that, if it happens you cannot, because if you left one question from one module it's fine, but if you leave more than one it is a problem, because if you leave wrapper class here it may come in this one question, so you can write this question. At least you should be perfect in what you study, right? So that is what the strategy you should make in studying these examinations. And I wish you all the very best for oops with Java subject and other subjects what you have, oops with C++ and all. I wish you all the best, and this is your last exam. I hope you'll rock it. And the DSA feedbacks, OS, DDCO, maths, all the feedbacks which I have got, even though the OS paper was a bit tough paper, the questions almost were repeated from the PDF which I had provided. So if you want the same PDF with answer, it has been given provided for the same subjects, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram account is mentioned even in description as well, and I have mentioned here also, you can see. And thank you for watching the full video. If you're watching my channel without subscribing, make sure to subscribe and then watch the video. And thank you for seeing the full video. If you, after this modules I'll be uploading 1 2 3 4 5 in an order, so that you guys also can start your preparation if you have not started it. And no need to worry if you have not yet started, you can start around and be cool and rock the exams. That all I can say. And all the best, wishing you all the best for all your exams. This is your last exam, so don't do negligence as last subject and all. I hope you will rock the subject, and thank you for watching the video. I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.